Hi everyone, this part two of my project. So the other significant element of stabilizing this high rise, this podium structure, is what you can see here. Actually, from my last slide, you could see the residential tower being built, and this is important. This is called the moment frames. So it's basically kind of a building erector set. Um, here is some actually schematic work of what these moment frames look like. So they're basically it's like a box that is hard to topple over, and that is bolted down by the shear wall in the center, the core of the complex. So you see the moment framing here, and at the core is the shear wall that comes from the bottom of the parking garage, all the way through to the top of the building. So it's actually literally acts as a bolt to the whole project. So it's from the bottom, and it bolts down this significant moment frames, which further enhances the stability of this. So it's called a dual system. A dual system. It uses the shear walls and the rigid frame system. So that is conducive for projects such as 35 stories or even up to 60 floors projects. Here's further pictures of the completed buildings. Okay. Um, so to conclude, it's actually two levels of parking below grade with a mat foundation, and the mat foundation is the beginning of the shear wall that goes all the way through the parking and at the top of the residential buildings, and that acts as a bolt to the moment frames that the residential towers have. One thing that I did realize is the necessary work of structural engineers for this. Structural engineers are obviously the most important aspect of the earthquake, how to address possible earthquake events. So it's an interesting. They're actually a little bit different than civil engineers. They actually need to be civil engineers first, and then get advanced education and experience to deal with these structural issues. Okay, thank you very much. More information is found on the PDF. Thank you.